Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to use one of my little precision bottles along with a palette knife just to create some little almost teardrop designs on my pages. I have gold paint in here and I have it thinned down so that it'll flow really well, but I want to just use this as like a little dropper in some areas and then create some shapes with the palette knife. So just a little bit of a way to create some different designs. I really like working with the paint that's thinned down. It's really versatile and you can do a lot of different things with it. So I'm just gonna start making some dots and doing some different shapes and see how this turns out. So I made sure that it was just really nice and fluid. There is some bubbles in it, but I'm not too worried about that. I was thinking about making just some little like leaf patterns, floral patterns, but just some little designs like that, and then taking my palette knife and just running right through them to create my little shapes. And you could do just whatever shapes you like, but that's really cute. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going with this. I'll probably do some in different directions. I might do like alternating patterns, but that's cute and I'm really liking that so far. Okay, I'm gonna switch to my blue page, but that is super cute. I really like, so I got a little bit too, I think a little bit too large on those, but those turned out really nicely, and I could see once it's all dry, just cutting that out and almost using that as a border for something. But let's move on to this one. We'll let those dry. This is gonna take probably a little bit longer to dry just because of how thick that paint is, but for this one, I might start this direction and do some alternating petal shapes. Okay, so I just had a little bit of fun just decorating the other side of that, but this pattern is really pretty. I think I have enough space that I could cut out in between those and use them, and then this could be just another background, but overall, just a really easy way I love these bottles. They're really, really great if you want to just do some precision work without a brush, or just to do something different. But I hope you guys liked this video today. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you tomorrow.